Hi, this is a nice stretch to do when you have a chair available at your desk or at home. So you can take your arms, attach it to the chair, and you're going to push your hips back. So nice pull back here. What I don't want you to do is push heavy into your lats as it attaches really thin right there, so we don't want to put stress on that muscle. So you're going to take it back and then do maybe some cat-cows. Just start nice and easy, not pushing or shoving, looking down at the floor. Now what I want you to do is bend one knee and you're going to look under your opposite elbow. So I'm going to bend my right knee and look under my left. And I want to take my left hip and pull back. Pull back. So you're going to get a nice stretch through this lower back hip area. Pull up, bend your knee, look under your arm. Take this hip, pull back. As you open up, remember I'm not pushing hard here, just nice, easy. Deep breath, roll up, release, pull in. Just create that stretch, don't push too hard. I know it feels good and we want to push hard, but we don't want to make the muscle contract. So roll up, good. And you can even get a little closer to your chair and stretch, pulling up in those shoulder blades. Good, getting nice distance there, pull forward, and then finally you can pull up at the chest without crunching your neck. Pull up, getting space here, and release. And pull up, and release.